Using the design thinking process, we've settled on an idea, created prototypes, and tested to prove it works. Now, we need to make it. Not only that, we need to get it out into the market. Let's look at how to make our designs a reality. The production stage is where we make it real. We need to work out exactly what's needed in order to produce your design to the standards expected by the client and the target market. For this, we might need a little help. During this stage, we might allocate tasks to other designers or professionals to ensure the job looks professional. This is called collaboration, and it's a key part of the design process. For example, if we're designing a restaurant menu, we might need to include design elements such as photography as well as text. Here we can collaborate with a professional photographer to get us that perfect shot. In a similar way, we might need to collaborate with a printer so it comes up looking the way we imagined. They'll be able to advise us on paper stock, types of inks, and how long it will take to print. Design is not about learning every skill yourself. It's about finding your strengths, collaborating, and meeting the needs of our target market and client. The word assets refers to the materials we produce through our designs. An asset could be a logo, photograph, video, poster, or other design item that features information a business wants to share. An asset can be physical or digital. An online newsletter and a printed newsletter are both examples of assets. By this stage in the design process, we have identified the style that best connects with our audience and reflects the needs of our client. We use this research and our findings to produce design assets with a uniform look. We ensure our typography, layout, color palette, and other design elements look similar or identical. We're now at a stage where we need to hand over the assets to someone we're collaborating with. But how do we know it's the right standard or quality? Our suggestion is to ask, what does your collaborator need? For example, print assets will usually require CMYK color formatting, while digital publishing relies on RGB. Printers require large, high-quality files so they can print in the best detail, where web developers need low-resolution assets so they are smaller in size and load quicker. Understanding how the assets will be used helps us format, download, and share them in the correct way. Talk to your collaborators and find out what they want. They will be more than happy to tell you. Once we have produced our design, it's time to launch. This can take many different forms. It could be as simple as presenting your ideas to an audience, or it could be much more complex. Either way, the designer's job is not over. During this stage, we should reflect on process. What worked and what could be improved? This questioning encourages a growth mindset where each project upgrades us as designers. That's why it's important you take time to reflect and not jump straight into the next job. We also need to observe how the final product performs. Does it do what you and the client originally intended? Did the audience respond in the expected way? We learn from our mistakes and fine-tune our process. We keep track of our work and its results. This way, we become better designers with every project.